People said so Filecoin is go and the garbage, but absolutely, my friend, all people are gonna be wrong because Filecoin is completely go and the moon now. Yeah, congratulations! You can see here the Filecoin profit plus 5.06% profit, and absolutely the price come to 50.71 USD dollar. Oh my goodness! Filecoin will wake up, especially my brother, and this week, my brother, not this month, this week, my brother. You can see here, and this last 7 days, you can see 11.77% they will be profit, and after this point, you can see here after this point when they fails down, so after this point they will take a very huge jump now, and completely, my friend, after a short fails they will take a very huge jump now. So it's mean, my brothers, to the arrows is moving upward, and completely you can see the direction is moving in upward direction. So that is absolutely massive and very good, my brother. So we can Filecoin holder, if we just only check out the market the Filecoin update, so we understand better now. Last 7 days you can see first of all the price change occur is completely positive now, 7.83%, and last 1 day you can see 5.42%, last 1 hour you can see 1.15%, and this is very good now, my friends. The market rank you can see 25, and you can see here the price 50.86 USD dollar. So the market cap, you can see supply, so you can see here everything is available on the screen. 4 billion market cap, 24-hour volume, so you can see here 681 USD dollar, and you can see circulating supply, so circulating supply is 90 billion and million, and you can see here max supply as 1 billion, and distribution, my friend, is 4.61%. Very low, my friend, but I hope, my brother, they will be increasing also now. Let's see, my brother. I already, my friends, you can see here predicate this coin, but therefore I will tell you, my friends, to what's going on. I hope, my brother, the arrows is moving in upward direction. I already, my friends, in the start of video tell you the arrows is moving upward, so that's mean to the coin it will take a very huge jump in upcoming days, and they will moving upward now, so you need to hold it, and absolutely in the last days of month every coin will move upward now. So I hope they will give you a profit, but just only you need to subscribe this channel, because when they will give you a profit, it's been a selling time, in a holding time, so ABC channel will update you, guide you, so you need to subscribe this channel for more this type of informative videos. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.